hope it's not too embarrassing. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Just the indoors are necessary.
Yeah.
Okay, this will be. Let's see if the case open. Today on the 25th of February 2025. Here's Ågatan 23 in Tranås. Actually got to Sweden to get this inverse K 82565. This is the inverse. Inverse. Always another.
Yeah.
But the indoors are unnecessary.
Yeah.
That's why do we need more than one rider?
Yeah, still, of course.
But I hope it's not too embarrassing.
Yeah.
That indoors so annoying.
Yeah. Is still parking wise maintained by Norris.
I guess it has been built in the 1980s.
Yeah. We can check that with the serial number.
Yeah, for sure. Or nobody coming.
Yeah.
I like the smell and the sounds here.
Same here.
It will still open all the way.
Yeah.
Because in some cases it closes before it's opened all the way.
Yeah.
If you press it in between the opening and closing.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Thanks so much. It's really embarrassing.
That's